be sitting down for this one. Did you know that water can be manipulated by sound and frequency, which is a 100% fact? You are seeing it on your screen as we speak. And while you're looking at that, I want you to think about something. What if on a much larger scale, which we have examples of, is sound and frequency being used to manipulate the weather? Now I want you to watch this video that has 4 separate clips, all of which are capturing a trumpet-like sound in the sky. Many of you may have seen these before, but this is a very important piece of information for what I'm going to explain to you. Take a listen to this. Now that is very, very weird, and we've heard this all over the world. I've seen videos like this for years and years, and no one has any clue what's going on. Now, putting all this info together, this is just a theory here. We are hypothesizing on what the possibilities could be, but very quickly just focus on the bottom right-hand corner, the ABD video, where it's showing an actual storm cell while this sound is going on, and that is the point I'm trying to make here. Listen very quick, and then we'll continue. Alright, and I think you get the point there. I know those noises can be a little annoying, but it is so important to explain this point I'm trying to make here. That if we have the ability to manipulate water like this with certain frequencies of sound, and it seems pretty easy, what is stopping the government or whoever's in charge of the skies to not be using this as a technology, specifically with these insane sounds we're hearing in the sky? You know, weather manipulation is a very, very taboo topic pretty much on all social media platforms, which means there is something going on there. They would not spend as much time as they do hiring trolls and censoring people that talk about this if it wasn't something important. Now, of course, this ties into all sorts of important things. The lines in the sky that we see all the time, we know there's something going on there as well. We know they cloud seed all over different parts of the world to make it rain. So what is stopping people from believing that they are manipulating weather in all ways? Well, I'm here to tell you the answer is you can't. More and more people every day are waking up to this. They are questioning it. You even had RFK talking about quote-unquote chemtrails on X and on different social media platforms, which had a lot of people going crazy, but bringing awareness to this is the most important thing we can do. Now again, these visuals are very, very strange. It's not something you see every day, and once you understand sound and frequency and how it does affect water, how can it not affect water particles in the sky in the form of clouds? Whether it's a hurricane, a tornado, a rainstorm, any of those things, my friends. So use your brains and think about how long we've been using sound and frequency, and then ask yourself if they're really not doing it, because I think they are, and you should too. As I always say, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to see that something is very weird and different with our weather. And now that we have things like X and other social media platforms, we can at least get some info out about it and wake more people up. With that said, my friends, that is what I got for you for now. Stay up to date on the X, Instagram, and TikTok pages for more updates throughout the day. I appreciate you all. Stay safe. Take care. Bye-bye. Stop right there, my friends. If you have not already, click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Click all and you will get all notifications from this channel. And trust me, you won't be disappointed.